I bought this Kenmore refrigerator in, I think it was October 2017. Okay, here's the brand. Okay. For some reason, 2 weeks ago, no, I would say a week ago, Thursday last week, I noticed that it wasn't working. So the fan was running, but the compressor wasn't kicking. So what I did, I called Sears, and you know, that's where I bought it from in 2017. Sears sent a technician out here to troubleshoot it, and the troubleshooting cost me $129. Okay, if the technician was able to fix it, and the price would be the 129 would be implied to the total cost of repair. But unfortunately, the technician could not repair it because the manufacturer stopped producing this type of refrigerator. So it was very difficult for me to find the part because they don't produce the parts anymore. So I paid the $129, and then I was left with the refrigerator. As you can see, this is a beautiful refrigerator. Look at that, you know, still look brand new. I think that's the information about it. So it still look brand new. It would hurt me, you know, to just to throw it away, So what I did, I spent my time on the internet looking for the part. I'll tell you about the part later on. But the part is attached to the compressor. I don't have the name in my head right now. So unfortunately, I find the circuit card. I couldn't find the whole part, the assembly. But based on my experience, I say, okay, let me replace the circuit card. So I went and find the circuit card. So this is it right here. I haven't seen it yet. The box just arrived. So I'm gonna try to replace the circuit card and then put the assembly together and you know, put it in the refrigerator to see if it works. So I hope it works. So if you have a Kenmore like this, chances are, if it breaks down, that's it. Okay, this is the end of its life. So I'm gonna stop this video now, and then I'll come back later. I'll show you how I put the circuit card in the assembly. All right, talk to you later. So here's the old circuit card, and here's the new one. I don't know if it's new, but that's the one I got. So when I put it on the refrigerator, I'll find out if it works or not, because I have no way of testing it. So here's the assembly, right? You can see all the wires. So before I put it together, so this is the card I'm gonna put in here. So this is the old one, okay? All right, I plugged in all the wires. So I'm just, you know, just continue putting it together. All right, here's the part. I just put it together. Let's see here. All right, so I'm gonna put it in and see if it works. Okay, I'm about to replace the part now. So here it is. So that's where it goes, right here. All right, so I'm gonna put it in and see if it works. Keep my fingers crossed. All right, folks, here's the moment of truth. Put the part in. So now I'm gonna plug the fridge to see if the compressor works. All right, let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. The fan is running. Nothing heard yet. Nothing heard. The fan is running. I think the compressor is running. Yeah, the compressor is running. Yeah, the compressor is running. I think that's success. We'll see. Gonna keep it running. Yeah, I can feel the compressors running. Alright, here's the fan. Yeah. You can hear it. Alright. Oh yeah. We good. Success. Gonna put it back together. But now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a surge protector in the back to make sure that I don't have this problem again. Yeah, okay, cool.